Diesel 10 was very scary. But asking him to help was the only way to save the airport. Thomas needed to be very brave. "Excuse me," Thomas puffed nervously. Diesel 10 growled loudly. Excuse me," Thomas puffed again. "What do you want?" snapped Diesel 10. Thomas told Diesel 10 all about the blocked track. "Why would I help a steamy?" he grumbled. "Because if the airplane doesn't land, there will be no vacationers," puffed Thomas. "Then none of the engines will be useful." Maybe I will help later. "But we need your help now," puffed Thomas, "or all of the engines will have worked for nothing." "You'll be the most useful engine of all," Thomas added. "All right," snarled Diesel 10. "I will help." Thomas was glad he had asked Diesel 10. Diesel 10 was grumpy, but like all the engines, he still wanted to be useful. The workmen had mended the runway. "We need George the steamroller quickly," the foreman cried. "The runway is still too bumpy." Thomas and Diesel 10 were puffing as fast as they could. "Where's that scaredy steamy?" grumbled Harry. "Puffed away after he messed things up," muttered Bert. But then, Thomas arrived. "It's Thomas," gasped Mavis. "And he's with Diesel 10. Harry and Bert couldn't believe what they were seeing. "Not so scary after all," puffed Percy.